लाडी ओए स्नैपचैट बना तेरी भाभी ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜੀਏ
तेरे लिए मैं तोड़ के ही मुड़ा चलिए जेब विच पाके तारे तुरा चलिए जिंदगी दे रंग होर गूढ़े हो गए।
ये भाई पार्क होने वैले में लग गई है। ये है भाई फेयरमाउंट प्रॉपर्टी। ये हमने सामान दे दिया है, जो जा रहा है सभी खड़ी है। ये है रॉयल प्रॉपर्टी भाई। बढ़ते हैं आगे अब, चलो जी। हमारा रॉयल वेलकम कर रहे हैं छाते के साथ। लेके आए हैं हमें। This is on the ground floor only. Also lift. This is lift. Great.
We all are very glad to see you all in the palace. So, we have taken the step towards our guests because guests actually doesn't know on what theme the hotel has been built. I believe you have been traveling to different parts of the world. You stayed in so many luxury hotels also. But most of the time, guest doesn't know on what theme, on what basis the hotel has been built. So that's why we want our guests to know the real Indian heritage culture provided by the hotel. And apart from this, we have taken some things originally from the forts of the and palaces of the India, which are nearly about 300 to 500 years old in between that all. We have taken those things from those palaces and installed into the Fairmont. So as we all know that Fairmont is the name which is very known and popular in the world of hospitality and services throughout the world. So one of the first hotel of Fairmont which was opened on Supreme. One of the best and the first hotel of the Fairmont which was opened in the world, that was the year 1907 in San Francisco. So before that, Yes was having a stay over there. There were so many different brands, but they were not following the concept with a kind of private room and attached bathroom. They're having a big hall. So many guests checked in at one time, they stayed on the same room and were using the same bathroom. So the concept with the kind of this private room with an attached bathroom was started by first Fairmont San Francisco. And after this thing, it was first copied by different brands also. So one of the best and the iconic feature of the Fairmont is that you will see only one Fairmont throughout that particular area. That area could be a state, a city, or the whole country. So before 2024, we were only having one Fairmont from the whole India, the Fairmont Jaipur, who is studying right now. And this has been titled as the most iconic hotel of the all Northeast Asia. So Mr. Clive Gray, he was being appointed to build this whole massive property. So he's a very well-known personality, and he has been constructing these so many hotels till today. So it was the first time also, and was the first time for the Fairmont also as landing to India. So he thought that before starting the work, I should take a tour of the whole country. So he thought that yes, before building. So believe me, not for a year, not for 6 months. He spent 10 years in traveling. So he explored all the corners of the India, and he got to know one more thing, that our place is famous for one more thing, that we've got numerous of palaces and forts over there. So by keeping this thing only in the mind, he thought that yes, I want to build a hotel which looks like a fort and a palace. So outside, this looks like a fort. But when you actually go inside, this looks like a palace. We can say it's a joint venture or it's an amalgamation of a fort and palace. So started the work in 2006 and completed the work in 2012. The work has to be started in 1996 only. But due to his tool, it has been 10 years later on. And in 2017, we came with the group of Accor. So right now, we're standing in front of this most amazing and the most royal feature of Fairmont Jaipur, this old door, which we have taken actually from the fort of Mehrangarh in Jodhpur. And this is more than 403 years old. So at that time, the main pole which was not made into plain form, but a kind of brick stone formation has taken place over there. Why I'll tell you, because they are so massive and very bigger in size. And in the previous time, whenever the royal family comes onto their buggies or chariots, when those chariots come from this kind of flow, they make a kind of sound. And that sound makes the people alert who are living in the palace that yes, our royal families are coming in the palace, we have to get ready for them. an amalgamation of a modern palace, and we have been influenced by people that of the area, which has ruled the continent for a long time. Who were they? They were royal Rajputs, second are the Western Mughals. So what? So in every Rajput and the Mughal fort, there was a common and dedicated village, which was very common in both the empires, which was being called as Ranmela. So that name which was taken from the olden time, Ranmela became famous also. So they used to come here for some time, and they used to sit there for some time, and they used to get entertained also. How? By watching the traditional dances and listening to the traditional music songs. And two instruments were very common in those empires, the santoor and tabla. That's why we have taken the both instruments over here also. People are so professional that they can play any songs of their own choice, only the Bollywood. So would you like them to play the songs of your choices, please? Anyone? Anything from your side, please? Rag Bhairavi.
That's great.
Very nice.
And they were being called as the royal palace. So we have taken these palaces from the court of Mehrangarh in Jodhpur, and they belong to the one of the favorite queen of the King Rajodha. So he was ruling the king of Marwar, currently called as Jodhpur. So the rat which you are seeing, the hanging part, actually comprises by the mix of the velvet and the silk, and the central part of the painting of the peacock, is actually made by the hand embroidered and by the natural wires of the silk. Given over here of the royal Shamiana, the floor is similar to the desert soil. Since we are briefing the history of Rajasthan. And those chairs, these chairs have taken from the royal family Jaipur, and they are more than 350 years old again, made by the original both of the camels and the mother of pearl. Here the deluxe totally new, however this structure is totally belong of that old time. So ये ऊँट की हड्डियाँ और mother of pearl को मिक्स करके इन्होंने इनले पर करके इसको बनाया है. But very limited edition of these chairs in our palace.
वाह भाई वाह.
Yes, sir. Purely the gold. So the Rajput queens and Mughal queens were very fond of wearing the golden ornament, especially made by the pure gold. If they have mixed anything, they always threw that. So that's why we've taken the name from that era, the radio over. So it opens in the evening from 6:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. You can have the food from the countries like China, Japan, and Thailand over. And you've got a beautiful Japanese bar over there, which I'm going to show you. And this is the best example of the full Rajputana architecture. The chandeliers which you are seeing on this whole rooftop, this one and this one, you have taken these chandeliers from the Delhi Museum, and they belong to the Delhi Sultanate and the Mughal Sultanate also. More old than the 250 years ago. But we have done some modifications that the bulb which you are seeing facing towards the ground, we have cutted those pieces and fixed towards the ground only. And before that it was being facing towards the sky only, and they used to fix that diyas and candles over there. So opens in the evening from 6:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. So all the liquor which you are seeing over here, the Toki, Ibiki, Yamazaki, Saka, Enzo, Yamazaka, we have taken all the liquor directly from Tokyo. Even the fan which you are seeing on the ceiling top, we have taken these fans from Tokyo again. So it's a lovely place away from the chaos of the hotel. You can come here in the evening with your party, family and friends, and can enjoy the liquor here also. Please come.